If your skin turns red, itchy, or suddenly breaks out after washing your face, you may be already aware that you have sensitive skin. But did you know you're silently aggravating it every day? The truth is, face wash might be doing more harm than good. Hi, I'm Kasturi, a sensitive skincare expert with over a decade of dedicated experience and co-founder of Oleum Cottage. My passion lies in harnessing the power of plant oils for their therapeutic use and also in advanced cosmetic formulations to create skincare to truly work. If you have got a feedback call from us, you already know we ask a lot of questions, and not about our products but about your habits. Do you know why we do this? Almost 9 out of 10 times we are able to identify an issue in your habits that is making your sensitive skin more reactive instead of healing it. So today I want to walk you through how face washes can be silent villains and what you can do to cleanse your face without making it worse. Let's break down the basics. What's really inside a face? Most face washes are made of 4 main parts: water, usually the base; surfactants, these are the cleansing agents. Their job is to trap oil and dirt so water can wash it away. 3. Preservatives and stabilizers to make sure the formula doesn't grow bacteria. 4. Add-ons like fragrance, color, foaming agents, and sometimes active ingredients. Now, surfactants are where the magic and the mess happens. Surfactants, short for surface active agents, are cleansing agents that help water mix with oil, dirt, and sebum, so they can be rinsed off. Now, they are the core ingredient in most face washes and shampoos. They are the reason your face wash foams and gives you that clean feeling. But here is the catch. Most common surfactants like SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLES, sodium laureth sulfate, are too strong for delicate skin. They strip away your natural oils, damage your barrier, and leave your skin exposed and vulnerable. You wouldn't wash a silk blouse with a floor cleaner or even your regular detergent, right? So sensitive skin is your silk. Most face washes are built like detergent. Now, what are foaming agents for? All surfactants clean, but some also foam. But not all foam is necessary for effective cleansing. A good cleanser may foam less, but still cleanse effectively, especially oil cleansers or balm cleansers. Here's how some regulatory bodies, EWG and Cosmos, that certify ingredients as natural or organic, call out some surfactants. SLS and SLES are a complete no-go. Cocamidopropyl betaine and sodium lauryl sarcosinate are moderately hazardous. The good ones you should look out for in your cleansers are surfactants that end in glucoside, glutamate, isothiocyanate, and potassium or sodium hydroxide when neutralized with oils, soap. Few other ingredients you should be wary of with sensitive skin include PEG compounds used for emulsifying or softening, but they penetrate too deeply and irritate your skin. Artificial fragrances, often the number one cause of contact dermatitis in sensitive skin, and preservatives like phenoxyethanol or parabens that can irritate a fragile barrier, especially with daily or twice daily use products. So, why does sensitive skin suffer more? For people with sensitive skin, these ingredients affect even more than normal skin. Your skin is a complex ecosystem. On the outermost layer sits the skin barrier, also called the stratum corneum, keeps moisture in and irritants out. But surfactants, especially harsh or synthetic ones, dissolve oils, and while that's great for removing makeup or pollution, they can't tell the difference between dirt you want gone and your skin's own protective oils. When a harsh surfactant like SLS or PEGs hit the skin, it strips away natural lipids from the skin barrier. It disrupts skin's microbiome, the community of good bacteria that protects against flare-up. And they often leave behind surfactant residue, which can irritate or clog your skin over time. For people with sensitive skin, the result is that the already compromised skin barrier further unable to bounce back. The lipid layer gets thinner and the microbiome gets more disrupted. What are the common symptoms of surfactants overuse in sensitive skin? You will know this by the tightness after cleansing, redness around the cheeks or chin, and the stinging or burning sensation, especially when applying other products. Over time, chronic inflammation, barrier breakdown, or even eczema-like patches. So, what sensitive skin really needs is barrier support, not stripping. Microbiome protection, not chemical warfare. Calming, not cosmetic foaming. What can you use for your sensitive skin instead of surfactant? Well, here's the hopeful part. Cleansing doesn't have to mean stripping. There's an entirely different way to cleanse your face that does not involve foaming, lathering, or upsetting your skin's balance. It is called oil cleansing. And no, it's not new. It has been there for centuries in Indian Ayurveda, Japanese skincare, and even in ancient Roman bath. It works because oil attracts oil. It dissolves grime, sweat, makeup, and pollution without removing your skin's natural protective barrier. When you use a well-formulated cleansing oil or balm made with cold-pressed, non-comedogenic plant oils, you protect the microbiome, soothe inflammation, maintain skin hydration, and reduce the chance of flare-ups. This is why at Oleum Cottage we start our sensitive skin routines with activated oil cleanser, a blend of therapeutic oils designed to cleanse and calm. No nasties, no fluff, nothing that doesn't support while cleansing. How will you transition safely from your current routine to a new one? Well, if you're currently using a face wash that lathers and your skin reacts within minutes of use, start making the switch today. Start by using oil cleansing once at night. In the morning, just rinse with water. Avoid actives like glycolic acid or salicylic acid during the transition, and layer with a barrier repairing cream or oil post cleansing. Give your skin 2 to 3 weeks to adjust. Think of it as a detox for your skin barrier. Cleansing should be a kind step in your routine and not a damaging one. We've helped hundreds of clients at Oleum Cottage get off the roller coaster sensitive and sensitized skin, starting with cleansing oils made for exactly this kind of skin. If you'd like to explore these options, there's a link in the description. And if this video gave you an aha moment, give it a like, share it with someone struggling with skin sensitivity, and definitely subscribe for more slow, grounded skincare truth. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.